Hello, everybody. This is Eric with ProspectBoss, and today we're going to cover our enhanced dashboard within the ProspectBoss CRM platform. Using the dashboard, you can see your statistics as well as set personal goals for yourself. So we're going to go ahead and cover that here today. Right on the main dashboard you see when you first log in is your daily planner. This will show you any appointments you have set, and you can even use the arrows at the top to adjust to see different weeks. So you can see your appointments that are coming up in your next couple of weeks. Next is your hot list. This will display any of your customers who have shown interest in with you and you have marked as leads. The system will keep track of your leads and show you your most hottest leads right at the top of the screen when you first log in. You can, of course, pull up the customer's information by clicking on their name to bring up their profile directly. Or from the hot list, you can even call them individually by clicking on their phone number, or even go in to send them an email or a text. Next is the quick calls function. If you want to have the system just call a phone number, you can simply type in the phone number into this box and hit the call button, and it will initiate a individual call to that customer. It'll even keep track of your quick call history. So if you want to previously pull up and quick call somebody, you have the ability to. Next is the call statistics tab. This will display your call statistics for the day, where you'll be able to see how many phones have dialed, how many calls have answered, and how many leads you've generated. And this will keep track of your performance from yesterday. So you can see your previous day's performance numbers. Next is the recent call groups. As you make call groups inside the system by setting up your calls, you'll be able to pull up and easily run any previous call groups you've made right here from the dashboard. So instead of having to go in and pull up your call groups manually, you can just immediately pop in your most recent call groups and redial them from here. And lastly is your most recent activity. This will display any calls you've set, any emails you've sent, as well as any other text or leads that you've sent or received. So that way you can see if, at a glance, if somebody's opened your emails or any other notifications that you may have in the system. Now, the next tab on our dashboard is the personal dashboard. Using this, you can keep track of your personal goals as well as your overall statistics. Inside the system, you can set new goals by clicking the Set Goal option. So if you want to set a goal for yourself, say call 50 numbers, you can then set a date for your goal, whether that's just one date or over the course of a week or a month. You can then set how many calls you want to make, how many contacts you want to generate, and how many direct leads you want to set, as well as any appointments. You can then set your total dial hours. So if you want, say you want to do 8 hours today, you can hit the create button. Oop, just gotta give it a name. There we go. Then as you can see, that goal will appear on our goal coach here, where it will show you little guides here about how many number calls you've made so far, how many contacts you've made, as well as how many leads you've generated. These little goals will be saved inside your system so you can see current goals or previous goals. And you can even reset the goals if you want. So that way, when you come in the next day, you can reset the goal for the day to display that new information. And of course, you have your overall statistics, which will let you see your statistics for today, as well as yesterday, the last 7 days, and the last 14 days. Now, the last tab here on our dashboard is the best time to make calls. This will bring you to this graph here, which will show you the dialed versus talk time, as well as the answer percentage. As you can see here, like it says in the top right-hand corner, this information reflects the calling patterns we've set up in our system over the past 10 years, just to give customers kind of an idea of what the best times to make calls are based on the data we've collected over the past 10 years. At the top here, you can change the date so you can see what the best call times on any given day are. And then, of course, you can hover over the graphs to see the times as well as the numbers of dialed and versus the numbers of talked to get kind of an idea of what the best times to call are. And then, of course, you have the answered percentage rate here at the bottom. So that is the Prospect Boss dashboard in a nutshell. Of course, if you ever have any questions, we have our call and support and chat support available for our customers as they use the system. If they have any questions, they can always reach out to us, and we'll be here to assist you and um, answer any questions you may have. So, I want to thank everybody for watching today, and you all have a wonderful day.